Assalamu alaikum. I am Usman, and today we are going to do this IPSec VPN site to site without NAT. So in this one we have two firewalls. One is our HQ and one is our branch. So we will configure the IPSec VPN in between the sites so that they can communicate through internet with each other. So what I have done, I have configured this firewall with inter-VLAN routing in that one with enable DHCP. So these are all communicating with this one. We have configure all switches and this firewall also. So if you want to see this internet VLAN routing, how it works, so you can drag my previous video where you can find this one. So same I have done here. So I have implemented the inter VLAN routing there and it is communicating there. So what we will do, we will check our configuration first, and then we will go for the configuring the IPSec VPN. So I have configured my firewall in 192.168.80.201, and second one is 192.168.80.202. So what I will do, I will access my first firewall 192.168.80.201. So I will go admin username password. When I go inside, I will show you what is the configuration I have done here. We have interfaces here. So we have configured this port 3. Port 3 we have configured 3 VLANs, accounts 1, HR and QC. Okay, and port 2 has this configuration, and port 1 has this our management VLANs. So we have created one zone here. As I told you, this zone is due to if we want to communicate between the VLANs, we have to create one zone. So we have created this zone, so every VLAN is communicating with each other. Okay, and then we have given a static route here. So this static route will communicate from this one, see this one, from here to here, because we cannot do the routing there. So we have to give the route 00 dot anything coming from this one interface G01. It will transfer this IP to this firewall. So this is a static route. It's must we have to configure this one, and this is not a internet. It's look like internet, but actually it's a router. So I will show you what is the configuration I have done there. So I have configured this my management VLAN management, and this one. So it is so from this HQ firewall we have completed our things. Now we will go in 202 and we will find the same things there. If I go to this one, so in interfaces I have port 3 used for these CCTV sales and this one, and I have created one zone here, inter VLAN routing zone, and this is a CCTV sales and warehouse. These are all VLANs communicating with each other. So this configuration is done. Now we will go to our routers, which is actually I didn't do anything. I defined these interfaces 1 and 2, and I have given the default route in both sides so they can communicate with each other. So what I will show you, I will show my router here. Where is my router? I need to open it. I need to start it. Sorry. It will take time. And I will show you this configuration also, where I have defined this switch port, this switch port, this port for access ports for this one, and every VLANs, HR, accounts and QC. Same like I have defined their VLANs and make this interface as a trunk port. So same like this one, I have defined these single individual switch port access port there according to their VLAN numbers, and this is a trunk port, so it is encapsulating all these trunking VLAN, all these VLANs in a trunk and encapsulated in data EQ and sending to our Fortinet firewall. So this is our main configuration. We have sub interfaces configured here: VLAN 40, VLAN 50, VLAN 60, and VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 5. So let me check if our switch internet router is booted or not. It will take time. Let it complete. Okay, now we will check the interfaces. Show IP interface brief. This is a command we are using, and we will see we define Ethernet gigabit 01 this interface .2 there, and this one here. So also I have defined there, show the IP route command here. It will show what we have configured here. So we have configured the static route with this interface, static route, and this one with this interface. So this is all configuration we have done there. So nothing else I have configured, because I have defined 00, any traffic coming from there 00, it will go through this one to this one and this one to this one. So this is our configuration we have done in the router. So before doing any IPSec site-to-site VPN connectivity, first step you need to do is you have to check the connectivity of the firewalls, that you are pingable to your firewalls, the other branch firewall or not. So first we will do that one. We will go in our this terminal here, console, and we have a command here. This is a different execute ping command here, execute ping. So what is the our firewall IP is 20.1, 172.20.1, 172.60.20.1. so we are reachable there. So this needs to be tested from both sides, that our branch is reachable or not. So what we will do, execute ping 10.195.2.1. so we are reachable. So always doing the IPSec VPN tunnel before, you have to check the connectivity there. So if we want to this connectivity will be okay, and we are not reachable to our inter VLAN, this one. So we can check with our this accounts. We will try to ping this CCTV, ping 192.168.60.2. You see we are not reachable to there. So from the accounts we are not reachable to anyone, we are not reachable. Even you can test from there, the right side we can test. What is this one? We have here warehouse. So from warehouse we try to ping any of these IP. Let's suppose we ping the 10.2. This is HR. so we are not reachable there. So we will configure a tunnel between them. So IPSec tunnel, so it will create the communication between them. So what we will do, we will go our firewall first, and what we will do, we will go in VPN, IPSec tunnel wizard. Okay, this is our IPSec tunnel wizard. So first we have to select this no NAT CCTV, no NAT between sites. So what we will do, we will give it name, anyone you can make their name, like HQ2 BR FW. Okay, this is our name here. It can be different from site to site, no problem. So we will select this one and go next. Then we have to give the remote IP address. What is this remote IP address? Actually this is our this firewall. That's why I told you first doing this one, check that you are reachable here or not. So from this one you must be reachable to your branch firewall before doing this IPSec visit. So 172.16.20.1. okay, and it will automatically give the port 2. So we will check that is port 2. Yeah, this is port 2. So now we will give pre-shared key. You can give any 1 2 3 4 5 6 or anyone. Give next. So this is a local interface. What is the local interface here? The local interface will be these IPs. We have 3 different IPs, so we have to define one by one. So we have defined the inter-VLAN routing also there. So we will select the zone here in the local interface first. That is the zone, inter-VLAN routing zone. So we will add that one, and then we add our local subnets 192.168.10.0/24. Then we add our other 192.168.20.0/24. Then we add another 192.168.31.0/24. So same, we have to given the remote subnet, which is 192.168.40.0. If you see there, this is the 40.0, 50.2, and this one. So we will give this one 192.168/24. Then we add, even if you define only 2, the 2 will communicate. If you define all three will communicate. So you can also divide this one according to your requirements. 50.0/24, and the last one is 192.168.60.0/24. okay, that's our this inter-VLAN routing. Click next and create. Now if you go to show tunnel, it will go offline. So we do not need to worry about this one. I will tell you why it's offline. I will tell you what is the issue in that one. So we will go to our second firewall, which is our branch firewall. So what we will do, we will first check the ping to our this branch, execute the ping. What is the IP? 10.195.2.1. So we are pingable. So before, always check that you are reachable to your headquarter or branch site or not. So go to VPN and go to IPSec visit. In IPSec visit, just mention from branch to HQ. You can type any name. Nothing is same should be name or something like that is not required. So no NAT between the sites, and then there is a next here. We will click next, and there is a remote IP. What is the remote IP there? This one we have here. This is 10.195.2.1. So we will give that IP 10.195.2.1. okay, pre-shared key should be same 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we click next. Here same, we have inter-VLAN routing there, so we will select that interface, and then we will define our local subnets there. So what's our local subnet? 192.168. It will be reversed from there. that 0.24. Then we have 192.168.50/24, and then we have this one 192.168.60.0/24. okay. Then we will define there our remote subnets, which is reverse our HQ site 192.168.10.0/24. so same we define here 192.168.20.0/24, and then we have 31 192.168.31.0/24. so this is our completed. So we will go next and create. Okay, so show the tunnel, it is also down. Why it is down? Because we have selected this one as a idle. If you go to the settings, this one you will check there, there is a setting there. Wait, I will show you. There is a setting there. No, 1 minute. There is some ideal setting there. I will show you this one when we go there. So I will show you this custom VPN. There is an idle setting, which means that sorry, on demand. We have on demand setting. On demand, when we try to ping from other side to another side, then this tunnel will be up. Otherwise, it will not up. So by default, this site-to-site VPN, which is created by this one, it will show like that. It will be down. But when we try to ping that one, it will become up. So we will try now to ping from there. Like we need to ping this one to all these IPs. So where is our HR computer? Yeah. So what we will do, we will ping 192.168.40.2. yeah, we are reachable from here to here, and then we will go to 50.2. so we are reachable here also, and we will try another, that is 80.2. oh sorry, this is 60.2. 60.2. so we are reachable here. So same we will try from there, from the CCTV. Where is the CCTV? Sales. Okay, we will try from sales. Ping 192.168.10.2. yeah, we are reachable here, and now we will try to ping 20.2. yeah, we are reachable, and we will try to ping this 31.2. so what mistake we have done, we will check that one. Maybe we have some VLAN issue there. I'll check that one. Maybe we are not reachable to this one. Just we try to ping from our HR computer that we are reachable there. Ping 192.168.31.2. we will check what is the IP there. Maybe we are not with the actual IP, because I have enabled DSCP there. So what we will do, we will show here. So what is the issue? We try to ping this one 31 dot. Yeah, we are not reachable there. So maybe we have to check this switch settings. So this is actually troubleshooting. If it is there, that's very good for learning. So we will troubleshoot this one. We will show the VLANs, because this VLAN is, you know, this one is VLAN 5. So VLAN 5, you see this VLAN 5, we didn't assign any ports. This is the problem we are getting. There must be Ethernet port 3 should be there. So now we will do that one. We will conft in interface Ethernet 0/3 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 5. Okay, now and we will write this one. Now we will try to ping this one. I think this issue must be resolved. We'll try to ping from 31.2. We will check there. Still we are getting the issue. Show the VLANs. We will check there in our HQ. We have defined the accurate VLANs or not. You see our tunnel is up, so we are troubleshooting only one issue. We will go there. Yeah, this is okay. VLAN 3 QC, DSCP 39. Okay, that's okay. So why not pingable? We will check with the ping from QC. Where is the QC? 192.168.31.1. Yeah, it's a pingable here. So it must be reached there also. We try to ping this 150.2. Yeah, it's reachable. Why it's not pinging from there? Now if we try this one 60.2, yeah, it's reachable. So why is showing like this from there? So we will check from CCTV now. This one. No, it's reachable. So first time actually our traffic will not pass through this one. So it is not include this IP into his badge like in IPSec tunnel. And that's why one time we have to send traffic from our any PC which is not connecting. We have to send the traffic, ping traffic to the other, so that it will include in this IPSec tunnel. So see this one, now our tunnel is up. When we go there, so we will see this tunnel is up, and also in branch, if we branch, we will go there, this tunnel will remain up. So this is up. So we have successfully communicating the IPSec side to side lab without NAT from one side, our HQ side, to branch side, and they're all warehouses and accounts and HR, they are communicating with each other. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel and bell icon, so that you can get my video as it is loaded. Okay, bye bye.